Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today we're going to talk about where do you communicate to the attorney? Is it only in the interview? No, it's before that, actually. It's in your cover letter. And what I see people doing is relying on the resume, when in fact that's a set of facts. But your PR, your public relations tool, your greatest tool is your cover letter. And if you aren't using that to the max, to the hilt, then you're missing out. And you won't grab the attention of the hiring attorney or the office manager. And it could be both. Because the office manager, if there is one, sees all of this documentation before the attorney ever lays eyes on it. And they weed it out. And they're looking for communication in that cover letter. So if all you're doing is introducing your resume, then yes, you are missing the boat. But what is that cover letter for? It's a PR tool, public relations sales tool, to say, I know how to do this. And that's what the cover letter's for. The resume will give your education, if any. You don't need it, but it'll give your education. It'll say you know how to use certain software. You know, whatever you're putting on your resume, and hopefully, you know, it's not more than a page and a half. And you can go a page and a half. So it's very important that you communicate to the attorney, this is why I'm the perfect fit for this job. And you have to know that. That's why I tell you over and over again in these videos, go get the playbook, learn some of the paralegal duties in specific areas of law for the specific jobs you're applying to. Family law paralegal duties. I teach you how to research those duties in the playbook, no charge. Just go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, write it down, look under the Paralegal Resource Hub, and get that playbook, but also look around the hub. Don't waste your time just getting the playbook. Look around the hub. So many resources there for you as a beginner paralegal. And on my website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com, look under every single tab. It's all for beginners. There's not anything there for veteran paralegals. It is for beginner paralegals. Learn how to draft that cover letter. There's a class for that if you need help, and that will teach you what to put in your cover letter, give you templates. Look under courses on my website.